Struggling to find a stylist who gets your vibe? I wanted to create a space where women feel beautiful, inside and out. Your hair, your magic. Book today at missiesmagicalmains.com.
Let's be real. Making ads for your business can feel overwhelming. Fancy gear, hours of editing. Nope. But here's the good news. Google Flow just made video creation ridiculously easy. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a polished business advertisement videos from scratch, even if you're not a designer, editor, or marketing guru. Google Flow is an amazing AI-powered video tool that lets you generate videos that look so professional, and it only takes a few clicks. It's perfect for small business owners, creators, and people who don't have time for complicated stuff. Just think of it like your AI-powered video assistant. Drop in a few prompts, and boom, full mini video. Start with what your movie is about. A product, service, grand opening. For example, let's talk about the fake business mentioned in this video. Missy's Magical Mains. It is a new hair salon launching its first marketing videos, all about the salon. Your job here is to define the business type, the target audience, and the core message. Why should people care and take time to watch this video? Now let's talk about prompts, because Google Flow runs on your words. Here's the secret. A good video starts with a great prompt, and you don't have to write it from scratch. Want a customized tone or vibe? Just ask ChatGPT to do it in the style you need. Pro tip: shorter is better. Aim for under 100 words. That keeps your video punchy, clear, and easy to understand. Step 1. Use ChatGPT. Type something like, write a short, upbeat 30 to 45-second commercial script for a hair salon called Missy's Magical Mains. It should highlight hair care, confidence, and beauty, and end with a call to book an appointment. Break it up into 5 to 6 scenes. ChatGPT will give you a polished script in seconds. Tweak it as needed, and once you're ready, it's time to go to Flow. Step 2. Inside Google Flow. Click Create with Flow. Then New Project. Make sure Text-to-Video option is chosen. Paste your ChatGPT script right into the prompt box. Click the 3 lines here and choose VO3 Fast because it will allow for sounds, music, and narration and is also cheaper to use credit-wise. Then click the arrow to generate. Now you're ready to bring your words to life. Flow's about to turn that text into video magic. It will take a few minutes for your video to generate, but once it's done, click on it to watch it. If you added it in your prompt, you'll get amazing visual footage, a synced voiceover, background music or sounds, text animations, etc. If it's not right, run the prompt again, or redo the prompt and run again. These videos will often have glitches, but they are getting better all the time. But if it looks good, then download it. And right now you can even upscale the video for free. Tips for customizing your visuals in your prompt before making your video. Include your video tones such as fun, bold, etc. Pick a style to include like cinematic, colorful, playful. Adding voiceover text is so amazing if needed in the scene. Optional tweaks might include adding your brand colors. Lastly, once Google Flow has done its magic and your mini product videos are ready, don't stop there. Open up your favorite video editor, whether that's CapCut, Canva, iMovie, or Premiere Pro, and start dropping those clips in like puzzle pieces. Feel free to add transitions, music, text overlays, or whatever it needs to tie it all together. These short flow videos are like building blocks. When you stitch them into one polished commercial, it instantly feels professional, without needing a big budget or film crew. Let's watch the final product together.
Welcome to Missy's Magical Mains. I'll know there, where self-care meets style. Struggling to find a stylist who gets your vibe? From roots to reveal, this is hair magic. I wanted to create a space where women feel beautiful, inside and out. Your hair, your magic. Book today at missiesmagicalmains.com.
And that's it. Now you know how to make a full business video, created with zero editing stress using Google Flow. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more real-world AI and content tips. What kind of business videos will you make using this system? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to know what you're going to make. Remember, done is better than perfect, and this AI tool just got your work done. And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.